Hello there foodie, it's your girl Clenam and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to recreate the Ghanaian fan yogurt or fan yogo, depending on how you want to call it. So without wasting your time, let's dive right in. The ingredients I'm going to use are some strawberries, yogurt, and sugar. You can use milk instead of yogurt and maple syrup instead of sugar, and I'll state the quantities in the description box below. The first thing you're going to do is to wash our strawberry, and remember to soak it in salt water for at least 5 minutes before thoroughly rinsing it. So you're done with the strawberry, we're going to concentrate on our sugar, and for this recipe we need a liquid one. To create our liquid sugar, all we have to do is to pour the same amount of water and sugar in a pan, and then we are going to boil it till the sugar completely dissolves. And after that, all you have to do is to switch off your fire and wait for your liquid sugar to cool down. It's now time to blend, guys. So I'm going to add my yogurt, washed strawberry, the liquid sugar, and then all we have to do is to blend everything together until it becomes completely smooth. So to have a smooth blend and to get rid of some of those unwanted particles that are on the strawberry, all you have to do is to strain. And when that is out of the way, I'm going to transfer everything into my popsicle molds that I got from Amazon for less than 10 euros. So let's now take everything and then put them into the fridge and let it freeze overnight. So the day after, your ice cream is ready to be enjoyed, but first you have to run this under some cold water, else it's not coming out. So yeah, I'm going to run it under the cold water and I'll be right back. And voila, our fun yogurt is ready to be enjoyed. This actually brings back a lot of childhood memory, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I hope you found it easy to follow. And do not forget that all the ingredients, the substitutes, and their quantities will be waiting for you in the description box below. So as usual, if you loved what you saw, if you like what you see, please do not forget to support my channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing. And hey, let me know what you think in the comment section below. Till next time, till the next recipe, it's arrivederci for now.